Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
We are group 2. Starting off, we introduce our member group. First, Hilda Kamila Fawaza as moderator, and Saka Ibadil as mentor, and then Dava as speaker 1, Rasha as speaker 2, Regan as speaker 3, Raisya Sakila as speaker 4, and then Bintang as speaker 5. Let's get started!
Hello everyone and hello Miss Esti. I hope you're all happy and ready to learn. Today we will start a new and interesting topic. Have you ever asked how does something happen or why does it work like that? If yes, then you will enjoy today's lesson. We will learn something fun and useful. So, let's learn together and have a great time.
Text explanation is a text with the process relating to forming of natural, social, scientific, and cultural phenomena. Explanation text is to say why and how about the forming of the phenomena. It is often found in psychology, geography, and history textbooks.
The purpose of explanation text is to provide a detailed explanation of a phenomenon, be it a natural, social, cultural, or science phenomenon. The generic structure of explanation as follows. General statement stating the phenomenon which are to be explained. Sequence explanation stating a series of steps which explain the phenomenon. Closing of explanation. Next, example of explanation text title. 1. What caused a tsunami? 2. The formation of tornadoes. 3. Flood. 4. Science behind rainbows. 5. Global warming and climate in flux.
At the beginning of an explanation text, we usually find a main thesis. This is a general statement that introduces the topic or phenomenon being explained. In the text, why we need to share. The main thesis is, sharing is an essential part of our social lives. It tells the reader that the text will explain why sharing is important and what effect it has on people and the community. This statement gives a clear idea of what the whole text will discuss, and it leads into the explanation that follows. I'm going to explain the language features found in the explanation text titled Why We Need to Share. Simple present tense. First, this text uses simple present tense. For example, sharing is an essential part of our social lives. This tense is used to express general truth or facts. Passive voice. Second, passive voice is also used, although not very dominant. This focuses more on the action rather than the doer. Abstract nouns. The text uses many abstract nouns such as trust, happiness, support, community, and fulfillment. These nouns describe ideas or feelings, not visible things. Action verb. We also find action verbs such as share, show, foster, bring, and contribute. These verbs describe what people do when they share. Complex sentences. The text uses complex sentences. Example: when we participate in community events, we help those who are less fortunate. This sentence has a main clause and a subordinate clause. So, those are the language features of the explanation text.
Why we need to share is an invitation to understand the reasons why sharing is important in life. Sharing is not only about giving goods or material things, but also about sharing time, attention, knowledge, and kindness with others. These attitudes help build empathy, strengthen social relationships, and create a more caring and harmonious environment. In addition, sharing teaches human values, prevents selfishness, and brings positive impact both for ourselves and for others. Therefore, it is important for everyone to understand the benefits of sharing and practice it in their daily lives. The title, Why We Need to Share, was chosen because sharing is an essential attitude in social life and teach care, empathy, and creates a sense of togetherness in society. The purpose is to explain the importance of sharing in life so the readers understand its benefit for themselves and others and develop a caring attitude in society.
Now I will explain the cause and effect of the main term, which is sharing. First, when we share food with a friend in need, the effect is that our relationship becomes stronger and full of trust. Second, when we join community events or help others, the effect is that our community becomes more united and caring. Third, when we donate things we no longer use, the effect is that we feel happy and satisfied because we know we are helping someone. So overall, sharing gives positive effects not only for others but also for ourselves and the people around us.
In a medical statement, sharing is an central part of our social life. In involving giving something to other without in time result of no lege explanation. We sharing trust and our relationships. When we share with others, we show and we care. Losing, sharing, giving, joy, and fulfilling means to the so and helping other can increase our happiness level.
So, in conclusion, sharing is important for building strong relationships and enhancing our own happiness. And also, sharing is one of the activities that can give so many benefits. No matter what the nominal, is very helpful to whoever needs it. By making an effort to share in our daily lives, we contribute to more caring and love. So, the main thing of this explanation, sharing is very important in our daily life because sharing is also building a connection to everyone and caring as a fellow human.
Wow! Great job today, guys! Everyone, you have learned something new and interesting. I hope you enjoyed the lesson and now understand more about how things work, don't forget to review what we learned today and always stay curious. Thank you for your attention. See you next time.